Okay.
Look at your little baby.
Yes, stay with the baby, mama.
You gonna keep a check on it yourself.
Where's your baby daddy? Maybe they nah, I don't think that's the... Those geese are having fun. I'm not getting a good view of these. Aww.
Oh.
What happened?
He was throwing food to the geese, and the seagull flew at him saying, "Where's my food?"
Duh.
He ran, and the boy ran back.
Oh, I can see they eating them Cheetos.
Oh my goodness.
They'll be getting a stomach ache in -2 seconds. Hope they're not lactose intolerant. I'm just playing. Oh, cuties. Cute little stinkers. Oh, I see the geese over there, the seagulls over here. Now they're mingling together. Where's that that bird, the pigeon?
People say I'm staying out of the middle of that one. Oh, look at the geese came by. Geese say they want a part of that one.
That fun sound they make. Yep, they are coming out.
I know, because
I can't see them on my camera. Oh, there they go. Duh, he like, okay, let me stretch my wings. Let's see. Dinner time. The humans have not let us down. Oh, they little babies. Oh, yo.
Oh, the little baby geese are getting back.
Aw. The ducklings, or geeselings, whatever they call themselves.
She's protecting their little baby. Do some food to my little baby.
Oh, yeah, they will peck you. Hen peck you.
Oh, hey, but some of the other geese are. She doesn't play. I don't know if the mama or daddy.
Which one? That one right there?
The one that has like see, there he is. He's chasing the man.
I don't see. Oh.
And his little neck all up now. See, look at it.
Oh, the one with this wing stretched.
No. Oh my goodness, what is he doing?
Oh, they both are. They just being silly.
They're guarding the baby.
I thought that was being silly.
No, they're not.
That's they ducklings. Oh, don't play with they ducklings. They will fight to the death. The ducks go marching one by one with their ma and their pa.
They're going back to the water now.
Oh, you see how they did was they bullying that poor seagull. Like I care about the seagull. He was honking at him.
I know, but get out of there, boy. Get out of there, my little baby.
Oh, that's why I see the little baby. I hope he be careful because those ducks don't play when it comes to their babies.
I don't think you realize how powerful their little beaks are.
Ooh, don't pet them. They gonna kill you.
Ooh, boy. Ooh, don't do that.
I tried to pet one, and Lord mercy, I ain't doing that again.
That boy crazy. He's that brave.
Oh, they put their beak out like.
I know. They don't play.